Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Abhirup Nandi here. Today we are going to talk about the top 5 colleges in India beside IITs for chemical engineering. So let's get started. The first college in our list is ICT Mumbai, the best engineering college for chemical technology in India. ESTD is 1933, the NEET ranking is 15. The mode of admission in this college is JEE Main and MHT CET. Now when we will talk about the placement of the college, the highest CTC for chemical engineering was 18 lakhs offered by Bharat Petroleum, and average CTC for chemical engineering is 5.75 lakh. Now look into this interesting fact, that is, in case of chemical engineering almost 50% of class go for MS and PhD in the topmost universities like Stanford, NUS, UCB, etc. And here research culture is also promoted. ICT Mumbai is famous for its research culture, and you can also find many alumni of ICT Mumbai who have received the Padma Bhushan award. Second college of our list is MNNIT Allahabad, the best NIT for chemical engineering. ESTD is 1961, NEET ranking is 42. The mode of admission in this college is JEE Main. Now let's look at the placement stats. 17.3 LPA was the highest CTC and 8.82 LPA is average CTC. Now this is really a good figure for chemical engineering. Now coming to third college of our list is Jadavpur University. ESTD is 1906, NEET ranking is 17. The mode of admission is WBJE. Now looking at the placement stats, that is, highest CTC for chemical engineering was 16.8 LPA, which was offered by AB in BEV, and average CTC is 6.5 LPA. Now this is one of the best college for chemical engineering for its lab and professors. In the field of chemical engineering, it is also better than many IITs, and really the core streams of this college is really good. If you are talking about the placement or you are talking about the research opportunities, it is a great college. Now coming to point number 4, that is BITS Pilani, the best private college in India for chemical engineering. ESTD is 1964 and NEET ranking is 26. The mode of admission is BITSAT. The placement stats here are quite good. That is, highest CTC for chemical engineering is 14.53 LPA, which was offered by Shell, and also average CTC for chemical engineering is 5.5 LPA. Now 80% faculty hold the PhDs, and also research opportunity is here quite good. Now coming to fifth college of our list and the last college of our list, that is NIT Surathkal. The ESTD is 1960 and NEET ranking is 10. The mode of admission is JEE Main. The placement stats here are quite good. That is, highest CTC for chemical engineering is 7.3 LPA. Now look at the average CTC for chemical engineering is 5.48 LPA, which is a quite good. Now note that NIT Surathkal is famous for research culture, and the college raised around 13 plus crore in sponsored research fund, which is a great. And in NIT Surathkal, the research opportunity in chemical technology is better than BITS Pilani and also better than MNNIT Allahabad also. Now here is a special note that in these colleges PSUs come for campusing, which is a great opportunity for the students. Getting into PSUs is dream for many core engineering students. Okay, now the list is based on the research opportunity, placement stats and faculty. Considering all the points, I have listed these 5 colleges for chemical engineering. Okay, hit the like button if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.